Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by verifying access and connecting immediately. Sign into your Xbox Game Pass Ultimate account, then open the browser or Xbox app and navigate to cloud gaming. Plug a USB keyboard or pair a Bluetooth keyboard to your PC, tablet, or phone and make sure the OS recognizes it. Once done, open the cloud session and focus the chat/search field to confirm keystrokes register. This early validation avoids wasted time and proves the basic path for input, so you can proceed. Now you configure how the keyboard will behave inside a streaming session. Open the game's input or accessibility options and choose keyboard support or enable experimental keyboard/gamepad emulation if available. Map essential keys for movement, actions, and quick shortcuts, and then test them in a safe lobby or tutorial to refine timings. Make sure to tweak streaming quality and input polling. Lower resolution or bitrate can reduce lag, while higher polling increases responsiveness. These choices finish by saving your mappings and optimizing performance so the setup lasts. Store key bindings as a preset or cloud profile when possible, and make network tweaks. Use wired Ethernet or a 5 GHz Wi-Fi band, close background apps, and aim for latency under 40 milliseconds. If something goes wrong, try a quick troubleshooting sequence. Reconnect the keyboard, clear the browser or app cache, and verify the keyboard works locally. If issues persist, switch browsers or the Xbox app to isolate the problem.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.